Warning. Click away now if you're not ready to climax in the most awesome 5 minutes of your entire life. In this week's episode of Gavin Reviews.
Watching Gavin on the TV, watching Gavin on the phone. Watching Gavin Reviews, eating all the provolone. Gavin Reviews. Gavin Reviews. That's my neck. Gavin looking good and his food is looking better. Filling crates with the paper, filling plates with the cheddar. Gavin Reviews. Gavin Reviews. That's my neck. That's my neck.
Hi. You guys know what day it is? It's National Decoration Day. I hope that holds. Welcome back to another episode of Gavin Reviews.
I got black and I got white. What do you want?
So, a lot of you have been commenting. Where's Gavin? We want more videos. Where are your videos? And I'm sorry that I've been gone for so long. I haven't had time to make videos. But now I'm here. And I'm ready to make a video.
Quick announcement. Before I get into the reviews, I'm actually going to be passing over my channel and my clips and my folders to my sister. A little bit about my sister. Her name is Damien. She's in foster care and she has autism. But so do I. So it's okay. I trust her to put me in the best light possible. Let my morals shine and make the food look 10 times better. She knows TikTok, she knows YouTube, and she's good at editing. She has a creative mind, and it's a good thing. It'll take a bunch of time off my hands. Plus, I'm not worried. It's not like I say anything weird.
God, I hate this fucking shit. I hate this fucking channel. I'm not doing it. I'm not making another fucking video. Fucking God. Fucking God.
Nobody even watches this shit. And if they do, they're probably a fucking faggot. Let's fucking do it. Whatever. No, I'm not paying you shit. Make the fucking video. Just throw a bunch of clips together and make a fucking video. Okay. Welcome back to Beaver Review. Beaver opinion critic. Food critic. Welcome back to food rape. Metaphorically, food rape. Do you think that if you're eating a burger, that if the cow was still alive, he would consent? Like, what the I'm not gonna take heat for a word that I use. Like, it's fucking food rape. It's food rape.
This video has probably gone on way long enough. My sister needs to get back to her schoolwork, so let's just review the damn food.
Take 13. Vitamins. It's the number one pharmacist recommended one. So that's why I bought it.
Scale worms? Is that a thing? Scale worms? Hello?
The milk chocolate around review. Type in the comments or email me if you've ever had scale worms. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter what color your skin is. We're all human. We all share the same blood.